Today we are making mango trifle. This is a very tasty dessert recipe. Before we start this recipe, please subscribe to our channel Cooking and Style. Now let's start the recipe. First we are going to make the custard. Add 1 liter of milk into a pan. Now add 2 cardamons. Cook it until it has boiled. After this, add 3 tablespoons of custard into a bowl of milk. Make sure to mix it properly. It is now mixed. Once the milk is boiled, add half a cup of sugar into it. Make sure to mix it properly. Now add the mixed custard into the milk. Make sure to stir the custard into the milk properly. Cook it on low heat and keep stirring it until it is thick. After 9 minutes, the custard is now ready. It is thick and it is also ready. Let it cool down. Now we are making the cream. Add 5 tablespoons of heavy cream into a bowl. Now beat it for 4 minutes until it is fluffy. Cream makes the trifle very delicious. Add the beaten cream into a piping bag. The piping bag is ready. These are the ingredients we will use to make the mango trifle. Pistachios, mango slices, make mango puree, biscuits and cake crumbs. Now let's make the trifle. Add a layer of custard into the bowl. Now pipe a layer of cream on top. Add a second layer of biscuit and cake crumbs. Now sprinkle pistachios on the sides. This is a very delicious trifle recipe. Trifle tastes very good with mango. Add a layer of mango slices on the sides. Make sure that each layer is even. After adding the mango slices, add another layer of cream. Now in the middle, add the mango puree. After this, add a second layer of custard. Make sure the custard spreads evenly on top. After this, again add a layer of biscuits and cake crumbs. After adding the biscuit crumbs, add mango puree again on the sides. Now add mango slices. Top it off and garnish it with whipped cream. And then on top are pistachios. Garnish it with pistachios. Alhamdulillah, the yummy mango trifle is now ready. Make sure to chill it before serving it. This is a very tasty dessert. If you have not already subscribed to our channel Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave your opinions in the comment section down below. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can also find the ingredients to these recipes in the description box down below. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching.